Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Rock from Flip the Thrift, and we just picked up a whole pile of crap. Nah, not necessarily crap. It's actually some good stuff. Anyway, guys, if you're just now tuning in to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the thumbs up button, and hit the notification bell in the corner to get notified when I post another video. So we're going to open the trunk and we're going to check it out, and we're going to see what I just picked up. He wanted 150. I was busy yesterday and kind of busy most of the day today. And I talked him down to $1.25, so we filled the whole car for $125. The problem is there's a lot of junk that I'm going to have to get rid of. A lot of things that are just not really my forte. It's not really what I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of this stuff, and I'm only going to show you guys the good stuff. And pretty much I may just show you, some of the bad stuff too, but yeah, we got to get busy. All right, guys, so I did pull a couple things out, like crutches, things that aren't going to be of any value. There's some old, I believe they're aluminum lawn chairs, like this Igloo. This is nice because it has like the snowflakes on it. This is, I don't know what you would use this for in the winter, but probably for people who have jobs. Maybe they, people that work on the, that work on the roads, like, city workers, things like that. So this would probably be something. This is probably has some decent value too. So we're going to check it out. This is probably has some, yeah, not very good grammar. Sorry, guys. Anyway, we're going to finish the rest of this stuff in the car. Alright guys, so that's it. Everything is out of the car. There's a lot more good stuff than I anticipated. There's jewelry. There's some die cast. These are really cool. Like this looks like something that Pennsylvania Matchbox Club. He was a collector. I think some of the dirt's on the inside of these cups. So yeah, but these are pretty cool. I'll probably sell all of them in a lot, but there's a lot of die cast. There's boxes that I haven't even really delved into. There's a lot of Avon stuff that's going to be junk. A lot of the stuff is going to be junk. It's going to take a while for me to go through all of this stuff. I think he was saying that this thing right here, the box is not in the best condition. But this is a Matchbox, like a robot, like kind of like where you connect all of the things. If it was a dinosaur, it would be awesome. I'd probably give it to my grandson. I'm going to check out the price on it. He had $75 on it. That's probably what he was trying to get for it. Probably with the condition of the box, as long as the robot itself, as long as the thing itself is in good condition. Super fast brain car, and if that car's included, would be even better. Stores 13 vehicles, Space Wings form, racing tracks, vehicle action playset. See, I don't know if it makes noise or anything like that. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Space Wings. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it makes any noise, but we're going to look this up. And we're going to see what it's worth, and we'll go from there. And but definitely, $125 was definitely worth it. There's a ton of value. There was one automatic watch, one wind-up watch, an really old watch, and I wound it. And sometimes if you shake them a little bit, you kind of move the gears inside and kind of give it a little jump start, and the second hand started moving. So that's a good thing. That's a good sign. But I mean, there's just like this is a whole case of Indie Truck Matchbox. I mean, there's just a ton. There is a ton of, like, that one's pretty cool. Like, there's a ton of stuff. Like this, if they're, I did take another one out, and it wasn't the exact same, so I don't know if these are different. I'm guessing contains 12 pieces. Item number, it doesn't say whether or not there's going to be different ones in here, but there's another big box. There's Penn State ones. Like, there's just a ton of stuff here that I have to go through. And like I said, there is going to be, that pretty much is close to my junk pile, but not everything there is junk. Like, check this out. Check this slow cooker out. This is, at first I thought it was like ceramic, but it's not. It's actually made out of plastic. It's metal on the bottom. I'm trying to see. Regular Wear Incorporate, made in USA. So this is a really cool item that somebody's probably going to want to jump on. It's got really cool graphic on it. Like, as long as it works, probably all I have to do is just plug it in and heat it up. There's a box of, there's like tons of pens. I think I know what this is. Is this? No, I don't know what this is. This is something. Maybe like an Asian type of thing, or not sure what this is. But there's tons of pens. I'm really hoping that I'm going to find a floating pen. I've never found one. They're like clear, and there's always an object inside that floats inside the pen. They're called floating pens. And I've never found one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in as much as I can. I'm going to bring everything. Everything's going to have to go in, and then whatever is going to be trash, I'm just going to have to periodically find the trash, and whatever I can just think off the top of my head and go, hey, that's trash. There's nothing I can do with that. Like, there's a lawn chair, and there's some baby seats and things like that that I don't want to resell or even mess with. A lot of the Avon cologne and things like that, they're going to be junk too. It'd be nice if I had a booth inside this building, which I don't anymore. I did. I actually had to take my booth away to make my space for extra stuff. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. You tell me. What am I going to do? I'm going to have to go through it all. You know, we got to put the work in. So, that's it. And we have a microwave on the inside. I'm not even bringing that in. I'm just going to take that home. I'll probably put it out front and just do free on it. It's not really dirty on the inside, but it's not really clean either. So, and I don't want to clean it and mess with it. I just don't want to deal with it. It's not like stainless steel, or it doesn't look like a super high-end expensive microwave. So I'm just going to probably put it out front, and it'll probably be gone by tomorrow. So, because that's how it works. And then check this out. There's the box for that Spider-Man thing, and then there's this. This probably has some value. A lot of times, some of this exercise stuff, this will probably be like a Facebook item for like 10 bucks. Because all it is just a step home workout system. Yeah, all it is a step. I think it might have some type of cushion, but there's glassware in here. There's I think there was not Hanna-Barbera, but Hanna-Barbera, yeah, there's some of the glasses, some of the pint glasses, whatever they are. They are the Flintstones, things like that. Like, we had the Smurf ones. They took forever to sell. So there's a lot of work right here, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get back to you on this video, obviously. And we'll continue it after I get everything in and I figure out, you know, once I start finding things, I can actually complete the video, because right now it's like I don't really know. I don't know what's in here. There's a lot of jewelry and stuff. There's brooches, necklaces, rings. There's a ton of stuff, guys, and it's going to take a long time to go through it. So here we are into the next day, guys, and this pretty much looks like our first snowfall. Can you see the snow? Can you see it? It's hitting the window. Anyway, I think we're only supposed to get like a little bit of showers, maybe till like 10 o'clock, or, you know, who knows? It's probably going to be about an hour of snow, but we are going to go in here, and I'm going to ship my 20 items that I have. Let's turn some lights on. Let me show you a little bit of what we got gathered up. Turn that light on and that light on. All right, so we have all this stuff back here. This light is kind of... I mean, basically, If you ask me, the guy knew. He knew what it was. He knew what he had. He knew what his dad had. But for $125, I'm absolutely sure that we're going to make money. We're gonna make some money on that Hot Wheels robot. There's a bunch of these. All of these are basically, they're almost worthless. They are the superstars, but there's there's 4 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do lots of 4, and we should get we should get a lot of them in lots of 4. We got some puzzles, we have some board games, we got the Hungry Caterpillar, Dora Candyland. We just have like basic bread and butter type of items, like $10 items, but after all is said and done with all this, it's probably going to be about $1,000. It's probably going to be that 100 into 1,000. It's going to take me a month to list it all, but that's just the way it works in the reseller world, guys. Sometimes that's what it bees like. We have this nice little Baltimore Ravens NFL lunch bag. This should do pretty well. That's probably a $10 item as well. And what else was there? There was a lot of glass. There's some silver. There was some things that are basically like that right there. Those 3. So only 3 boxes were filled with Avon perfume. There's a Robert Redford poster. What was the other one? The other one was a Mark Spitz. Now, he's an Olympic swimmer. I don't really understand this listing. Let me turn some lights on in here, guys. And I don't really understand this listing because there's one that sold for $200 something. There's people listing it for $30 and there's people listing it for over $200. Now, I think the one that sold for $200, I believe it was probably relisted. I think that somebody bought it and was like, this isn't worth $200 something. I don't know the situation. I have to maybe do a little worth point research, Terapeak, whatever. Sold this yesterday, guys. If you ever see these, if you can find the original metal banks, these are called mechanical banks. If you can find them in the original, like old, like 1900s, whatever, those are worth a ton. I believe that this is a reproduction. I usually get about $20 for them. So if you can pick them up for $5 or less, then go ahead. That's what I paid for them. I probably only paid a couple bucks a piece. I think it was a yard sale last year, and yeah, I gotta switch arms. It was a yard sale last year. I was actually with my wife. It was an older gentleman. He knew exactly what he had. All the same. Most of these people that are selling to you guys, they know what they have. A lot of times they know what they have. They just want to get rid of it. So you're going to get it cheap and you're going to make money off the items. And a lot of times there's no meat on the bone because people either are attached to their items. They don't want to let them go, or, they want eBay prices, and we're the eBay sellers. Most of you that are watching, well, not most of you, but probably some of you are sellers that watch me. A lot of you are probably just viewers that just like this type of content, which I'm very glad for. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And so anyway, it is what it is, guys. But this is cool. I think I can get about $50 for this. This is called a Lazy Susan. I don't know why it's called a Lazy Susan, but it's just like a countertop. It spins. It has a bottom piece underneath that swivels. Spins, however you want to put it. But this is marble, guys. I see people selling just the marble top, just a marble piece for $50. So I think I could probably get about $50 for that. So don't know why there was a bunch of fake handcuffs, but I think that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Sorry, I really don't know what else to say. There's just way too much for me to go through. It's Christmas time. I have to concentrate on getting this stuff listed. Like there's an old picture in here. Like, I need to ship my 20 items. Don't want to get snowed in either. This is just like an old picture of a girl praying. There's some puzzles in here. There's 2 puzzles that are brand new sealed. This is just like a homemade, like a wicker, wooden, whatever. It's a tissue box. You put your tissues in. There's 2 of them. I don't know what they're worth. It is what it is. They're worth what they're worth. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new content. And there's a bunch of cars in there too. We're going to get on them. Peace out. Thanks for watching, guys.